Quiz videos are going viral right now, and the best part? You can make them completely free with AI tools. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create engaging quiz videos using ChatGPT and Canva, just like the faceless channels getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. According to Social Blade, they made more than $5,000 in the last month alone just by uploading fun. What you'll learn. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating a full quiz video in just minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. No paid tools, no experience needed. First, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with our quiz ideas. Just copy this prompt from the video description and paste it into ChatGPT. Step 2. Design the quiz in Canva. Go to canva.com, sign in, and create a horizontal video project. Search spiral background under Elements. Filter to free items and pick one you like. Add a bar at the top for your question text. Click on Text, type, guess the word, and style it. Add a plus symbol in the middle. Now drop in your first two emojis. Let's add a 10-second countdown to give viewers time to guess. Canva's free countdowns are limited, so grab one from TikTok or use your own timer overlay. Set it to appear during the first 10 seconds of the scene. Next, animate your emojis. Click on each one, and choose Pulse to give it some life. Once the timer ends, reveal the correct word. Trim the emojis to disappear after 10 seconds. For hot dog and reveal it in the last 5 seconds. Type the answer hot dog under it using the text tool. Now that one question is done, simply duplicate the scene and swap out the emojis and text to create the next one. You can create 10 to 15 questions in just a few minutes. Want to make it more fun? Add background music or voiceover narration. This boosts engagement and makes your video stand out. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.